Hi, my name is Mauricio Delgadillo. I am going to talk about animals in danger around the world. Nowadays, many species of animals live in constant danger of extinction for many reasons, like hunt, fishing sport, civilizations, food demand, and industry. My favorite animal is deer. The deer is in constant danger, but in the world exists a lot of no many species of deer, but all of them is in danger because the people see it is think it is a kind of trophy for their hunter experience. Other thing that people love is the taste of the deer. The people like with a lot of sauce, and in different occasions like Christmas in my country the people eat deer in Christmas. The human started massive extinctions of different animals. We can see the difference from 1,000 years ago. The population of all families and species is reduced all days. However, in our countries exist laws that give protection of the animal. These regulations cannot stop the danger, but can change some conduct of the humans or regulate the conduct of some humans. In all the world exist foundations to protect the animals too. One of them is the IUCN. They has a list of the endangered species, which is called the Red List. The list serves as guide and determinate the level of danger an animal community is under.